Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. In today's episode, I want to have a look at a new feature that's recently been added through the Tool Wizard or the Drill Wizard, and that is the ability to create a sealand on multiple steps quite easily. So if we use the Drill Wizard and select a drill to manufacture and it being a step drill, in today's drill we'll have a 20mm drill with a 10mm pilot. And we can select a sealand from here, which generally adds it or normally adds it to the major diameter. But to add it to the steps, we need to go a step further and create our steps. So on this drill, let's create a 3-step drill with a 12mm first section, a 16 and a 20. Now in each section here, we can see that there's a tab to the right called Sealand, which has recently been added. If we click on that, here we can turn on Sealand for the step. So this is for each individual step. So for this Sealand, it'll be for the 12mm step. We can change the angle and the width. For the 16mm, we have another tab which we can turn on the Sealand and once again play with the angle and width, and so on for the 20 as well. Once we're happy with that and we've set up our drill and the steps that we need, we can click Next. Make sure that the wheels selected are the correct wheels we want to, and then finish with that. We will see that we've created tool segments. So the first tool segment is for the first diameter of the drill, the second tool segment obviously for the second step, and the third tool segment for the third step. And we can see with each segment the sealand added is selected for each segment. So looking at the drill, we can now see that we've quite easily added in a sealand for each individual step, which we can play around with the angles and the widths, but it's a very simple way of creating a sealand on a multiple step drill. So thanks everybody for watching. Tune in next time for the next Tooltip Tuesday.